In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting using Microsoft Teams. Whether you're coordinating a team catch-up or planning a large presentation, knowing how to effectively schedule your meetings is essential. Let's dive into it. First, we need to start by navigating to the main Microsoft Teams website. This is your hub for everything related to team communication and collaboration, including video calls, chats, and of course, scheduling meetings. Once on the homepage, you'll want to locate the Sign In option. It's usually featured prominently, allowing you to access your account swiftly. Now that you're signed in, the next step is to find the calendar. The calendar is where all the magic happens. This is where you'll set up new meetings and see any meetings you've already scheduled. It's typically located in the left-hand sidebar. Click on Calendar to open it. With the calendar open, you can now pick the date for your meeting. Use the monthly view for a broader perspective, or switch to the weekly or daily view for more detailed scheduling. Click on the specific date you have in mind. After selecting the date, you'd need to type in the title of your meeting. Make sure it's clear and descriptive so that all participants understand the purpose without opening the full details. A good title can be the difference between someone joining your meeting prepared or not. Next, you'll need to add attendees. Look for the people or invite section. This is where you'll enter the names or email addresses of those you wish to invite. Microsoft Teams often provides suggestions based on previous interactions, making it easier to add people quickly. Once you have everyone you want on the list, you can simply click on everyone to make sure you've captured all the necessary team members and stakeholders for the meeting. This ensures that no one who needs to be in attendance is left out. The next crucial step is saving your meeting details. This usually involves clicking a Save button, which can often be found near the top of your window. Saving ensures that your meeting appears on your calendar and notifies your invitees. Finally, once everything's ready and saved, Microsoft Teams allows you to copy the meeting link. This can be shared however you prefer, such as through a direct email or a chat message. Sharing the link is the final step to ensure everyone knows exactly how to join the meeting. And there you have it, you've successfully scheduled a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.